Welcome back to Passionately Designed. Thank you for clicking on this video, so let's get into it. I normally show you all completed spaces, but this video depicts the beginning stages of how my designs come to light. My client wanted me to update her great room with a bohemian style using her existing furniture and incorporating her sorority colors of yellow and blue. She also wanted a kid-friendly space to entertain her friends that also included lots of storage. Additionally, she wanted to add a backsplash in the kitchen and bring in more artwork in the dining room.
'Cause you haven't got the news, but you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
In the living room, I wanted the seating area to be more intimate, so I moved the sofa off the wall and placed the armchairs opposite the sofa. I added neutral throw pillows with pops of yellow in the tribal print that my client loves to make the sofa appear more tailored. I brightened the space and warmed it up by adding a whitewashed wood coffee table and used the existing rug to anchor the area. The space needed some more intimate lighting, so I added a tripod lamp with a blonde wood finish and selected a couple pieces of abstract art that are framed with the same light wood and also ties into black from the dining room. For the kitchen, I provided my client with 6 options, 3 using her existing bar stools and 3 using a bohemian style bar stool if she wanted to update her look in the future. In the first option, I chose 2 oversized rattan pendant lights to complement the space while bringing in that relaxed bohemian vibe. In the second option, everything remains the same except I selected blue and cream rattan pendants to complement both the blue island and sofa and chairs. The last option, using her existing bar stools, included the same rattan pendant lamps as the second option, but they were white instead of blue, which keeps the space light while giving it a bit of character. The next set of options include replacing the existing bar stools with wishbone bar stools in a light wood color. I then went back and added each of the lighting options as before to show the client different looks and offer her options. In the dining room, I reused the existing table and chairs and placed a rug under the table to give the space its own identity. I then added oversized abstract art prints, which she loved, to bring in that blue from the living room. I then added this unique light fixture to tie in all the spaces while adding a bit of flair. The next option includes all of the same elements, except I wanted to bring in wishbone chairs, but in a black finish. The last option again has all of the same elements, but I switched out the lighting fixture for a black rattan pendant light. Since this video, my client provided me with some modifications to the space, so if you want to see an updated design, let me know in the comments. As always, thank you for your support, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I will see you all in the next video.
What you do, guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got